What's going on YouTube? I hope you're having a fantastic day and thank you for tuning in for another Half Health and Fitness video. Alright, before we go any further, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, quickly just go down below and subscribe. It's free and it takes barely any time. So today's not going to be an overly long video, it's just going to be us, like you guys listening to me talk pretty much, and that's about my main issue at the moment, which is my hip. Okay, so yes, I made a video earlier in the year, well actually in the late part of last year, about my hip replacement, and I know it's a bit strange to be hearing about you're 21, you're getting hip replacement, why, why the circumstances leading up to that, why this, why that. Breaking that all down for you guys today, okay? So basically over the last 3 months, my hip has deteriorated so much to the point where I can't even get dressed with the lower half of my body without help. Okay, I just physically cannot. I cannot put my socks on, my shoes, I struggle to tie my shoelaces. I can just do it, but I can barely get my socks on. Again, I need my partner's help, and thank her so much for helping me out as much as she does. But I feel like I'm literally just sort of not really going through the motions, but I just feel like every single day I wake up with not knowing how it's going to feel, and 99% of the time I'm in pain 24/7, and I'm finding different ways to try and deal with that pain to continue to grow my business and also continue to take care of my own health. Okay, because if I just stop moving, I go like, I'm not walking, I'm not doing anything, I'm going to start forcing bad habits, I'm going to overeat, and then I'm going to be putting on an extreme amount of weight. And that's what I don't want to do. So again, that's why I'm pushing so hard for hip replacement, because again, there's so many risks involved, like infections, if it dislocates, but none of them outweigh the fact of me finding a solution to my problem hip that is going to eventually propel me to be a healthier person and to make me happier and live without pain. Like, pain in my hip at the moment, I would always rate at least a 7 out of 10, and then occasionally it's probably a 10 out of 10, to the point where I can't get comfortable. It's throbbing with pain. I'm no Panadol, no anti-inflammatories, nothing helps to any circumstance at all. So again, that leads me to, I was put on the wait list for a year back in about April or June, and I finally, a massive update, a massive breakthrough. I've got a review with my case manager for it to hopefully be able to get a proper review done much earlier than what the year was, and bump my category up or down to earlier, just because again, a good hip replacement last year, about 10 years before they have to replace it, that's my 20s, that's my whole 20s. And I know they're quite hesitant because I'm 21 and I'm a young age. I'm not a lot older, whatever the case may be, but I'm 21 years old. I want to be doing stuff. I want to be going for runs. I want to be going for a nice walk at the beach with my partner and dog. I want to be able to do hikes. I want to do things, but at the moment, I can't even mow the goddamn lawn. That is how much pain I'm always in, and I'm having to deal with that 24/7. Okay, so I just want you guys, I'm mainly making this video as a venting point for myself, but also so you guys understand, and you, again, I've said this from the start that I'm taking you guys along with me for my whole journey, okay, and that's never going to change. I'm going to document everything I go through, good, bad, great, shit, everything. I'm going to always document it, just because I feel like you guys seeing the points that I go through, like a lot of people just show their highs, never their lows or failures or anything, and I'm fully embracing that. With my pain level, I'm at a low point. My business is starting to go like this, but it's stopping me from doing a lot of stuff that I want to do that could take me to that next level in my area that I want to go into. So I'm not asking for a sympathy like, but your comments and likes always mean so much to me, and I just want you guys to take something out of each and every video. And if you have, please leave the video a like, and please share around to a couple of your friends. If you have anybody close or you know that are going through either some of the stuff that I've gone through, or you're seeking some advice with something, I'm always available and I'm happy to answer your questions and everything. Alright, so if you've enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, comment, and of course always subscribe.